Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can create a working form using PHP in WordPress. So I'll tell you, this is a website I'm working on right now. This is the home page of the website, right? And it has many options such as about project and various other things, right? And it has one page, one option where career, my client has asked me to integrate this career page. So I have just done all these things. And here as usual, if somebody is applying for a job, right, so one need a place where one can enter the details and can send the information to the company. So here is the place actually. This place I need a form where one can enter the information and can upload the resume as well. So what I did actually, I was just using, actually before I was using this Ninja form, and it has all these information, name, email, complete name, email and all that. I have already customized previous work and all that, but I just needed one more thing, that before submitting it, if somebody wants to submit a resume, a file, so how will we do? Then what I did actually, I just tried to add it, and when I click on this file upload, so it's a paid version. So there are couple of more plugins also, those offers this kind of options. But what I decide actually, instead of using plugin, why don't I try my own code? So for that I have just written some code. I'll tell you what it is actually. This is the code which will handle the form, that how one can create. I'll show you first how form will look like. See, I have just given this function job application form shortcode, and see, input type name, email, phone number, message, and all these information. It is required. Document type, if somebody wants to upload the document like PDF, doc, or docx, or you can add png, jpg, or any file kind of you just want to add, right? And also I have just added the shortcode also, so that directly it won't be published, right? So for output I can use this shortcode anywhere. WordPress very smoothly offers that you can place shortcode anywhere, and the output will be there. So what I have done actually, I have started with if condition and all that. If you are familiar with the PHP, I won't go into the very details. So file upload and file type, right? And once all these things will be done, I will send. You can change this email as well. So once all the details will be done and file will be uploaded, the file will be sent to this email address. You can change your own email address, right, to send an email. You will see, I'll just mention everything in the description, all these things, right? So it will containing all these things, subject, body, name, and all that. So you will find all these things. So without going into very details, what I'll do, I just need to copy the entire code. And directly two ways are there actually. One, usually you can use function.php, but that's in the last video I have also mentioned that it is quite risky. Sometimes it happens that the system file, the function file, may be a kind of risky if we change anything. So instead of using function.php, what I have done, I used a plugin. I'll though I have just done it in the past also, I'll show it to you. Code Snippets. this is the name of the plugin. I'll mention in the description also. So I've used this plugin, and here you can use HTML, JavaScript, CSS and PHP as well, right? So I'll just go there, I'll show you. It will be showing here, here snippet, right? So if I click on all snippet, it will show me all these things, right? So first, code is with us now, and we need to add new, right? And here we can just name of this code. I'll just give job application form. You can give any kind of name, right? And since it's PHP, so I'll just select this one and we'll paste everything, right? Everything. One more thing that important, you can add file type, you can change email address. I'll check that email address, right? And short code, it's not, I have just commented it, but it's not needed, right? And what I'll do now, I'll just save and will activate it, right? So it is activated, the code is activated. Now I'll tell you, this is our short code. Where did it come? Yes, here it is. This is the short code, and this short code will work everywhere in the WordPress or even in Elementor as well. So what I'll do, I'll just open this thing. I'm in this career page. Here, as I said, here I need this form, right? So for that, what I'll do, on the left hand side where element is written there, I'm sure that if you work on Elementor, you will find easily that you need to type short and it will show you short code. I'll just drag it, and just below this I'll just drop it, right? Here you can simply paste and see it's there, exactly the name, email address, phone number, where it go, right? Name, email address, phone number, message and file type, it is mentioned here, right? So I'll publish it and click to view it. One more thing I'll tell you, I've just created a thank you page as well, and I'll show it to you. Where I have redirected to thank you page, right? So thank you page I have already created. So once the form will be submitted, it will redirect us to the thank you page. So let's refresh it and go to the page, go to the position C. Here I'll type like A, B, C, D, Sharma, anything you can type. Email address abch@gmail.com. Phone number 09812345678910910. Message you can type, this is a test email for my job application. You can type anything, and file type, it should be PDF. So I'll just try to pick any PDF. Let's try this one, open it, and it has been done. And now I'll just submit it, and it is submitted. See, it is redirected, as I said that it will be redirecting to thank you page, right? So it has been sent, and now you can do whatever you wish. You can redirect somewhere else also. So this is done, right? And now it's the time to check if we receive the email or not, because that's important thing, and I'll tell you. It may take a couple of seconds for that, though I have already tested this email, right? 30 seconds I have already tested, but it will be let me just check that spam. See, it is spam. It has gone to spam. So I'll just click on not report now, and I'll go to the see. This is the email ABC Sharma and all that, right? So that's all you need to do. And instead of using plugin, you can use this simple code. It's very easy, and you can customize it as you can style it whatever you wish to do. So there is a flexibility, a great flexibility, that you can use it your own way, right? So if you like the video, if you like the procedure and all that, please just subscribe it and like it also. And if you have any kind of question, you can just write it in the comment box, and we will try to reply that. And thank you so much. We will bring more such important video. And thank you so much guys once again. Have a great day.